Your website header is the first impression of your digital home. An attractive header can establish your brand identity and guide users seamlessly. That's why the Theme Encode team is excited to introduce the Header Layout Pack for Divi by TNC. Create a memorable online presence with our Header Layout Pack. This is a complete set of pre-made header layouts specially designed for Divi. You get 80 unique layouts, effortless customization, SEO-friendly design, top-notch support, and many more features. We are constantly updating our layout packs, so our layout list will grow rapidly. Now let's look at some header layouts. Classic and modern color style header. You can use these headers on any type of website, and it perfectly highlights your brand personality. E-commerce style header. If you have an e-commerce website, these headers are perfect for you. Advanced style headers. Modern and colorful style headers. Trending font color style header. If you want to get this beautiful header layout pack, then you need to go to Elegant Themes Marketplace and search Header Layout Pack for Divi by TNC, and you will find it. After that, you will see all the details, reviews, documentation, and any kind of information about this layout pack. Click Live Demo to view each demo header before purchasing. This is a unique header layout pack for Divi. Here you can see all categories for headers. If you want to know more about this header layout pack for Divi by TNC, visit divi.themeencode.com.